help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Kitty, you can hit her back.
Maybe the dog is experimenting with a new strategy for creating vacation spots under the sand.
Come on.
When you don't have a driver's license but still want to join the traffic jam.
Performing magic.
Yeah, that's how I feel about Lewis Hamilton.
Cálmese.
For the first time in its life, the cat feels the weight of friendship is just too much to carry. The dog's operating system is overloaded with happiness, so it's automatically switching to endless spinning mode.
My masterpiece is complete.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.
Get your ball. Get your ball.